Now see, Porter, this is probably beer.
What's going on, Brew Crew? I'm your brew captain, and today we're gonna do episode 1 of What Did I Get for Christmas? Let's get this started. Brew Crew, welcome back. This is going to be our first episode of What Did I Get for Christmas? This one I actually got from my employees. They got me what's called the Ultimate Beer Glass. Now it says that it's beer nut. It's got beer nuts too. It says it holds 5 12-ounce beers. So let's open it up and see what we got. Easy enough. All right. So it's plastic. Nothing wrong with that. And it does have the beer nuts. So these are beer nuts. The original bar mix. But no, what is actually, it's a crazy crowd-pleasing mix of our original peanuts, insane grain, pretzels, sesame sticks, and more. And these are gonna go right into the trash, because I'm allergic to peanuts. But back to the glass. So, all right, we can take this guy out here. Oh man, I thought there was glue on the inside. It's glue on the outside. All right, is this glass? No, this is glass. I thought it was plastic. Oh, cool. Yeah, I mean, this is glass. It holds 5 12-ounce beers, which, I mean, that's 60 ounces. And I want to say it's going to be right around 16 or 1700 milliliters. I haven't done the math. But pretty funny, my employees know me because it says I'm down to 1 beer a day. If y'all have been watching my channel for a little while, last year I had to stop posting for a little while. I had a couple videos removed, had a couple videos that got me warning, and I even got a strike on my channel. Because even though I believe in responsible drinking, whenever I do these, I never ride my motorcycle when I've been drinking. Apparently, it's not enough for YouTube for me to tell you to drink responsibly, even if I'm at home drinking a whole bunch of beer. They don't think that you're smart enough to know the difference between what's responsible and irresponsible. I am gonna be doing a chug out of the new glass that my employees got me. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be doing the chug with beer. So you can see that this is clearly not beer. I have 5 different cans here that are not beer. So I want to make it very clear that, you know, you can't do that on YouTube or they'll delete your videos. But this is not beer. It says it right here on the label. So I'm gonna be drinking 5 12-ounce cans. It's not beer. Let's go ahead and see what we have. Now this is a carbonated drink. So, you know, we should be able to get a similar effect to it. I'm not gonna be able to do a normal pour like I would do out of a pint glass. If I would drink, you know, drinking beer out of a pint glass, just because of how tall this glass is. So I might have to let it sit and kind of let the foam dissipate in just a second. Because I'm not doing a bad pour just because it's 5 beers. Kind of like a root beer float. We're gonna have to let this sit for a minute, and then I can finish pouring the carbonated beverage that is not beer into here, because I still have 2 cans left. I'm not sure how it's gonna fit both.
Get back.
Get back, you don't know me like that. Oh, you're gonna spill the beer. You're gonna spill the beer. Ah. Number 4. Might actually all fit. I'll be back. All right, last can. I can't even turn it sideways. There's not enough room. So it's been a while since I've drank this much liquid in one sitting. Not gonna lie. I would reference y'all to a video where I drank a gallon, but YouTube took that down. And then I had another video that I did 100 1-ounce shots of beer, but YouTube took that down. Then I had another one where I did 6 beers, which you shouldn't do. And I showed you 6 different ways how to do it, and YouTube took that one. All right, my battery died. All right, cool. I have I'm only down to 1 beer a day. Now remember though, this fits 5 12-ounce beverages. I am drinking not beer. This inside here is not beer. I changed hats too when the battery died. That Colorado hat was kind of cramping my style, man. So it's bigger than my head. All right, so what do? We breathe. Take a deep breath in. Deep breathe out. Halfway. All right, folks. Not my fastest jug, but it's gone. Make sure you stay tuned for my next one I got for Christmas, because I got a 90-ounce beer tower. So we'll see what that one is. Stay savvy, drink responsibly, don't drink and drive. Brew Captain, signing off.